Imagine a young filmmaker in a small town, far from the bright lights and bustling energy of Hollywood. She walks the quiet streets, her mind alive with stories no one else can see. She dreams of a grand, sweeping epic, one filled with dragons soaring over sprawling cities, heroes embarking on impossible quests, and villains lurking in the shadows. Her imagination knows no bounds. In her mind, the movie is already complete, every scene vivid and alive. But in reality, her budget is nearly zero, and her resources are limited to what she can find at home. Cameras, crews, actors, and dazzling special effects, all the things needed to bring her vision to life, are far out of reach, locked behind a wall of cost and complexity. Her story remains trapped, a silent film that plays only in her imagination, unseen and unheard by the world. For over a century, the art of filmmaking has been limited by access, by who could afford the tools, the teams, and the time. But what if that changed? What if the barriers that kept so many stories locked away began to disappear, opening the gates to new possibilities? A quiet revolution is happening right now, powered by artificial intelligence. It's not loud or flashy, but it's transforming the creative landscape. AI is a tool that needs only an idea and a spark of creativity, not millions of dollars or a massive studio. Suddenly, the playing field is leveling. The filmmaker's epic story, once just a dream, now has a real chance to be seen and heard. Hope flickers in her eyes as her sketches come to life. The barrier between imagination and creation is crumbling, piece by piece, as technology bridges the gap between what we dream and what we can make real. We are entering an age where anyone, from any background or corner of the world, can step into the role of director and storyteller. This isn't science fiction or a distant future. It's happening right now, reshaping the industry and the way stories are told. Tools that were once reserved for professionals are becoming accessible and incredibly powerful, putting creative control into more hands than ever before. Think of the first portable camera, or the arrival of digital editing software. Each breakthrough changed the world of film forever. Now, we stand at the edge of the next great leap, as AI becomes the newest tool in the filmmaker's kit, ready to redefine what's possible. The question is not if AI will change filmmaking, but how deeply and how quickly it will reshape the art form. We are at the very beginning of a 10-year journey, a new era just starting to dawn for creators everywhere. The first flickers of possibility are here, lighting up the darkness and hinting at what's to come. A new language for visual storytelling is being born, one that blends human imagination with the limitless potential of technology. It promises to give a voice to creators who were once silenced by cost and complexity, opening the door to a future where every story can find its audience. What is this revolutionary tool? It's called Runway Gen-3, and it's changing the way we think about video creation. Think of it as a collaborator, an imaginative, creative partner that brings your wildest ideas to life, no matter your skill level. It's a generative AI model that creates video clips from scratch, using advanced algorithms to interpret your vision. You give it a prompt, anything from a simple description to a detailed scene, and it generates something entirely new, pixel by pixel, in real time. Traditional filmmaking captures reality with cameras and crews. Runway Gen-3 generates reality from pure imagination, all within your computer. Ask for a cinematic shot of an astronaut on Mars, and it builds it instantly. No need for sets or special effects teams. Runway Gen-3 is a leap forward from its predecessors, offering more realism, flexibility, and creative control than ever before. Early versions were novelties, fun to experiment with, but Gen-3 offers higher control, letting you fine-tune every detail. It understands cinematic language, framing, movement, lighting, and moves from being a toy to a serious tool for filmmakers and creators. The core idea is speed and iteration. You can try out ideas, see results, and refine them in moments. In Hollywood, ideas can take years to make it to the screen. With Gen 3, you can bring concepts to life in just minutes. Visualize scenes, try different camera angles, change lighting, and experiment with styles, all with a few keystrokes and clicks. This speed allows for a new creative process, where rapid exploration and iteration lead to unexpected discoveries and fresh ideas. It's like sketching with moving pictures, finding the film as you make it and letting your imagination guide the story in real time. The fundamental feature of Runway Gen-3 is its remarkable text-to-video capability, a tool that is transforming the way we create visual stories. All you need to do is write a scene description, type it into the interface, and press a single button to begin the magic. Instantly, the AI interprets your words, drawing from its vast library of knowledge, context, and visual understanding. In just moments, it constructs a video clip, a few seconds of motion that bring your ideas to life in a way that once seemed impossible. It's like having a creative conversation between you and the machine, where your imagination is the only limit. For example, a simple prompt might be, "A cat sleeping on a sunny windowsill, basking in the warm afternoon light." The AI generates that scene, but the real power lies in the details you provide. Specific words and vivid descriptions guide the AI, telling it exactly what to create and how to bring your vision to life. For screenwriters and storytellers, this technology closes the gap between imagination and understanding, making ideas instantly visible. Now, a writer can embed video clips directly into scripts, showing their creative vision instantly to collaborators or producers. This tool is perfect for pre-visualization, and it's accessible to everyone, from beginners to professionals. It's not just for final shots, it's a powerful tool for brainstorming, storyboarding, and exploring new ideas visually. You can experiment with different visual styles, moods, and tones to find the perfect look for your world. Rapid visual feedback helps you discover the perfect aesthetic, making the creative process faster, more dynamic, and more inspiring than ever before. Runway Gen-3 also offers image-to-video. Upload a still image, and the AI brings it to life. Provide a photograph, sketch, or render, and it animates it. This bridges still imagery and motion pictures. Concept artists can animate their digital paintings. Upload a painting, add a prompt, and the AI animates it. This feature offers stylistic control, ensuring a consistent look. Use a keyframe image to define your film's style. The AI matches texture, color, and mood across shots. Combine image to video with text to video for more control. Upload an image to set the scene, then direct action with text. This hybrid approach offers precise control and dynamic storytelling. Starting with Runway Gen-3 is intuitive, like using a search engine. Sign up and you'll find a clean interface with a text box. Begin with an idea, write your prompt, and start simple. For example, a golden retriever puppy chasing a red ball in a park. Before generating, explore options like aspect ratio and duration. Click Generate and wait as the AI builds your video. Review and refine the clip, iterating with more detail. Experiment with other tools, like image to video. Upload an image, add a prompt, and see it come to life. Try motion controls, adding camera pans or zooms. The key is to play and experiment, learning a new instrument. To tell a coherent story, think like a director. Use prompt engineering. Quality output depends on quality input. Be specific with descriptions, using adjectives to guide the AI. Think in shots, not just scenes, using cinematic terms. Create sequences by stringing shots together. Ensure consistency by using images as references. Generate a character shot, save a still, and use it for consistency. Remember, AI is a collaborator, not a magic button. Embrace mistakes. They can lead to creative breakthroughs. While powerful, Runway Gen-3 has limitations. Control is not absolute. You guide but don't micromanage. Long-form coherence is challenging. AI excels at short clips. Human editors are needed for full-length films. AI doesn't understand the world like humans, leading to odd results. Logic and physics can be inconsistent. Data raises questions about copyright and ownership. These are ethical and legal challenges we must address. The most important impact of this technology is democratization. Filmmaking power is shifting from the few to the many. AI tools lower the barrier to entry, enabling new creators. Filmmakers can create proof-of-concept trailers. Independent developers can make cinematic cutscenes. Teachers and poets can create engaging visuals. Creativity is being unleashed from unheard voices. New roles will emerge, like AI director and prompt engineer. The most valuable skill will be idea clarity and communication. AI is the new guitar for visual storytelling, enabling new genres. We stand at a crossroads with powerful, disruptive technology. Runway Gen-3 empowers creators, breaking financial barriers. It brings more stories and voices to the screen. The benefits are speed, access, and rapid iteration. Limitations include control, coherence, and logical artifacts. As technology improves, we face a deeper question. Film is a human art form, capturing truth and emotion. It's about collaboration and the human struggle to create. As AI generates technically perfect films, what role is left for us? If a machine creates art that moves us, does it matter it wasn't human-made? Can an algorithm create a film with a soul?